The third one is multitasking operating system. Now, what is the difference between multitasking operating system, multi-programming operating system, and batch operating system? Firstly, in multitasking operating system, let's have this set of jobs: job 1, job 2, job 3. CPU time. Let's suppose job 1 comes in to execute its CPU time. And at the same time, job 2 also want to execute in its CPU time. Rather than blocking job 2 before job 1 is executed, CPU will have a time quantum. Let's suppose time quantum is of 1 second. Time quantum means firstly the job will remain in CPU time for 1 second rather than completing the full execution. Firstly, job 1 will execute for a second in CPU time, then it gets blocked. Then job 2 will get 1 second of CPU time, then it will get blocked. Then again job 1 will be executed for 1 second and then it is blocked. Then again job 2 is executed till the time jobs are not executed completely. This is known as time sharing mode. Example, our Windows operating system works on multitasking operating system, and same is the case with Unix. Now coming to the last operating system, real-time operating system. Real-time operating system works in hard time bounds. It is a dedicated operating system designed for a particular purpose. Let's suppose in missile launches, the system used is a real-time system. It works on hard deadlines. What we mean by hard deadlines is there is not a difference of a 1 nanosecond in its execution. This is real-time operating system. Real-time operating system is of two types: hard real-time and soft real-time. In hard real-time, there is strict time bounds. That is, 1 nanosecond difference can make a difference. And in soft real-time, a little legitimacy is provided.